Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 7 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. Today we're going to look at symbols inside of Adobe XD. So what you want to do is, normally when you're designing, you want to create shapes time and again. So what you can do is you can import things from Adobe Illustrator, import them into the artboard, and then use it as a symbol. So just keep it in the symbols library right here. So in order to access the symbols library, just go into the symbols right here. Go to the assets panel over here, click it, and you can access symbols right here. So in order to add things in symbol, you need to bring in shapes. So like I said, you can bring in shapes from Illustrator, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own symbol. So for that, I'm going to take this elliptical tool right here and drag an elliptical shape just like this. Click and drag an elliptical shape over here. Just drag this out over here. Copy and paste this, and then drag this over here just like this, and I'm going to take a rectangular tool just like this and then resize it over here just like this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these shapes just like this, combine it. So I got this telephone like icon right here. I can rotate it, so this is going to be my call receive icon, and then now I'm going to copy this to create another symbol that will be for call paste icon. Alright, so I'm just going to remove the symbol right here, bring this over here, and you can see that the shapes move on their own, so I'm going to group them out as well. So I'm going to put the drop icon. So this is the call icon and this is the drop icon. So I'm just going to hang up icon, sorry. So I'm going to select this symbol and then fill it out with a color that is going to be a green color just like this. So this is going to be a green color over here, and this is going to be the red color. So I'm going to do red, and this is going to be the drop icon. So I want to group them out as well. So select this and I'm going to group this. So now this acts as the same shape, and I'm going to group this as well. So simply group this out, and that acts as the same shape as well. So in order to add this as a symbol, I'm just going to go over to the symbols library right here and press the plus icon, and you can see the symbols right here. And I can select this as well and press the plus icon. You can see the two icons right there. So I can now delete this. And the advantage of this is I can drag in the symbol just like this as many times as I want. And I can drag in this symbol out as well as many times as I want as well. So you can see that the symbols actually come all together. Alright, so now I can resize these symbols as well and keep this. So let me just, alright, select all of this, resize this out, and you can see that all of the instances actually resizes at the same time because they are interlinked with each other. And if you were to change the color of the symbol, you can see that the color of the individual symbol change, all of the symbols change all at once. Let's say if you want to change the color of this symbol only. So what you can do is you can right click on it, and then you can say ungroup symbol, and what it does is it creates a separate instance for the symbol. And now if you were to change something in the symbol, only that changes. So you can drag this one out. You can see that this is actually linked together. So if I were to double click and then resize this, you can see that. Alright, so let me just double click, select both of this and then resize this. You can see that all of the symbol changes. Right click and then do the ungroup symbol. Alright, where you go? Alright, so right click and then there's ungroup symbol. Alright, so let me just double click on an empty spot. I'm going to right click and do ungroup symbol, and you can see that now this acts as a separate layer. So this can be very handy for designing UI elements inside of Adobe XD. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.